Hey YouTube, this is Brendan and I'm going to show you my latest invention. It's a PP2000. It has a handle right here. Here is the holder. Here's the back string, and here is the shoulder head thing. I don't know. So I'm just going to put this back in. It's off. You can pull back. This is kind of bothering me. Like that. If you saw, you just pull back. So, I'll show you the attachments. First off is a regular magazine. Just slip this back. Slip this in. Right here, it has a mag pull, so you don't really have to like pull it out from the top. Just pull it. Okay. Second attachment is an extended mag. It's 30% larger than the regular one, so I'm just going to put this in. Same thing with the first one. It has a mag pull right down here. It has an aim sight. Wait. It's kind of like bended. So, the other attachment is a suppressor. So you just put this on the top. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I might make I might make a tutorial on this, but I have a lot of things on my hands. I'm making an intervention, stuff like that. So hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.